Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon's Ipsy charm showed up in a box. Mine showed up in a bag.
She's got a sack.
I feel like I should be singing that song, Yellow Ledbetter, but who's Pearl Jam, where they say, in a box or a bag. I don't know.
All right, so this is the Ipsy Extra.
Yes.
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 And they started sending sacks with it. I don't know. This sack feels kind of beachy, but I don't love it.
So it's very canvasy.
It's very much canvas bag, which is, I don't mind a canvas tote, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use a bag this size, this canvas.
Yep.
Maybe for
Wetsuits, maybe?
or
Wet bathing suit?
when you're packing your bras in a suitcase so they don't get all.
Undies and
Yeah.
keep your personals together, maybe?
I don't remember what I chose. I do remember one thing I chose. So I'm very excited to see it. I'm very excited to see it. Okay. Oh, look! She's got green eyes too.
Yeah. Passport to play.
Vacation mode on. Whether you're jet setting or staying put, your routine just got a summer upgrade.
Sure.
Beautiful.
Very. The edit. Sneak peek for next month?
Coming soon.
Sure. What is that for? Ipsy Extras next month?
Yep.
That's the big one, right?
No, that's ultimate. Extra is this version.
Okay.
Icon is ultimate. Extra is Ipsy charm. The normal Ipsy charm.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. All right. Well, let's get started.
Okay.
I'm just going to come out with it. I have got to cancel that stupid booty boost because I keep forgetting about it.
They keep emailing me and I have temptation. Even though, ooh, what's this?
This is your, what is this? Born This
Two
Way
Face.
Sunset Stripped.
Is this eyeshadows?
Yeah, I think so.
This was $15, Booty Boost, right?
Yes. I have no idea how much it retails for. I'm,
An eyeshadow palette, though, $15 is not
yeah, that's
anything to be mad
drugstore
at.
for sure. Drugstore price. Born This Way Sunset Stripped.
Complexion inspired eyeshadow palette.
You love it?
I mean, if you're into nude eye looks, this is a kind of quintessential. Like,
This is
you're gonna, if you
especially nude for me.
if you prefer a nude eye look, this is the only palette you ever need in your life.
Yeah,
Because you can go a little bit smoky, a little bit
bright.
glam, a little bit bright, a little bit everywhere.
Yeah. I'm not swatching this. This is every other palette I own.
I kind of like what they did here though, whereas they're in pairs.
Oh, sure.
So they're kind of, I mean, I probably wouldn't pair these two personally.
Why not?
I guess that is more of a gold.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I see what they did.
I actually like that part of that.
Yeah.
It's like a no-brainer look.
Yeah.
No thinking to it.
Very good, very good for gifting.
Yeah.
Very good for somebody starting out with makeup. Very good for
Somebody's wedding.
a young teen, somebody's wedding. Yeah, this would be very good in a wedding.
Yeah, I wonder if Kaylee would want it.
If you do makeup for weddings, this would be very good in a kit.
Yes.
A makeup kit.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've got a few things that are the same.
Okay.
Should we start with those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
This is the Perlice AHA and PHA Flash Facial Exfoliation Mask.
What's PHA?
PFAS? I don't know. It's got kiwi enzymes, exfoliate skins, brightens and evens skin tone. Smooth over cleanse dry skin, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. So this is a real mask. This isn't. Okay. It looks like Perlice.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the Perlice I've had has been look like this, but was kind of a pinky peachy color.
Yeah.
It's got a foil. I can't smell
Nothing?
anything. I kind of want it to smell like kiwi though.
So I love Perlice.
I like Police a lot.
I think it's a great brand. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's always got something fun with it. I love an exfoliating mask. I think this is a win. I can't wait.
PHA promotes gentle exfoliation and retains moisture for smoother, healthier skin. This also has lychee and goji berries.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Then we both have this, yes?
We both chose this.
This is the Earth Harbor Siren Silk Bioretinol Hydration Cream. I think it was last quarter. empty.
Yes.
I
Raved.
couldn't find it. I did find it after when I was moving. This is like a moisturizer. This is the exact same tub that I had last time, actually. There. I love this.
Yes.
Yes. It's bioretinol, so it's good for the fine lines. It felt thick and luxurious without feeling heavy.
So is it more of a night cream?
I used it both.
Did you? Okay. So it's
It was
fine
also,
under makeup.
It was also the winter time,
oh,
so
yeah.
it might be a little bit heavy for daytime in the summer.
Okay. But yeah, like Earth Harbor is a brand that I think is so incredibly underrated. And it's a brand that you either love it or it's your glow recipe.
It's my glow recipe.
Yeah.
This is one of the few problems from them. Problems?
Yeah.
Products from them that I've really enjoyed.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it. And I did choose this because you raved about it, just so you know.
I chose it because I raved about it. I know. Did we choose 2 or 3 items this
We
week?
chose 3.
Oh. So they chose the Perlice for us.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this was my others.
Your other
My
one
other choice, or my other
that they chose?
that they chose.
Okay.
This is Lovecraft Beauty Tubular Lip Tint
Tubular.
in the color
New Wave Nude.
New Wave Nude.
That's cute. Oh, it's a little marker.
It is a marker.
Is it an actual marker or is it just shaped like a marker?
No, it's a marker.
Interesting.
I don't know if I want to swatch it. Here we go. Oh, this is pretty.
That's right up your alley.
Yeah, that's very
Because
pretty.
it's a little bit poopy.
Yep, and it's kind of red. It's got like a red terracotta sort of to it. And it applied really nicely. Did you feel that? See the way it applied?
It doesn't smell like anything.
No.
I don't love the tip of that.
You don't?
No. I mean, it would be fine on me too. It's kind of hard.
Well, I think it's precise.
I know, but I didn't like it.
I'm interested.
I mean, the color's fine.
Yeah.
Because it's literally just a tint. It's going to give you a little wash of color. Not super pigmented, so not a full lippy day, but...
I was definitely not excited about this, but I am a little bit excited now that I had to get my hands on it.
So my other item that they chose was the What's Up Beauty. No idea who that is.
Yeah.
Rose Hippity Setting and Refreshing Spray.
If there's a rose spray, they are always going to choose it for you. It's so strange how many you get.
There's one behind us. Okay.
Ooh, that's a nice mist.
It doesn't smell rosy.
No, I don't smell anything.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
The sprayer worked fine.
Nice mist, actually.
Alcohol-free, clean, cruelty-free, vegan, infused with skin-loving ingredients.
I think that sounds great.
Yeah.
It's a setting spray, but I think that it probably, because the mist is so
So
fine.
setting and refreshing.
Yeah, I was going to say I'd use it more as a refresher.
This is the kind of spray I like in the summertime when I feel like I've been sweating too much. and-
Yeah, absolutely. So I chose the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops De-Bronzy.
See, bronzy.
I choose this all the time. I don't really know why. It's fine. I actually prefer the e.l.f. over this one. I think I was just kind of like down to choices.
Yeah.
Because there's like only 2 or 3 choices for me for some
I think
reason.
the other option that you had in this category was the one I chose, and they didn't have a color.
And they didn't have a color. Because I would have rather had that and the other color that they offered that, yeah. So I don't even know if I'll use this, to be honest with you.
They're fine.
They're fine.
They're not a bad product.
No.
My next item is from Huda Beauty. This is the Blush Filter Liquid Blush in the color Intense Guava.
Are you scared?
A little bit, but I've been using a lot more liquids lately.
It's not the liquid, it's the color. That is terrifying. Shannon Marie. Oh, it's berries.
That is hot pink.
I'm speechless.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty for sure. Oh my God. It is bright. Oh my goodness.
It is intense. I gave us the smallest dots.
Yeah, and that was too much.
I'm excited though. Like, I've not tried. I don't think you've tried these.
No, I haven't.
And you
would have loved to.
Yeah, but they didn't offer you a color that.
No, the one that they offered me was like literal brown.
Yes.
It was like a bronzer contour color, and I'm like, I'm not calling that a cheek if that's not what you're gonna do for me.
They offered me this and like a purpley one, but the purpley one was gonna be way too much for me. The purple, it was dark. It was dark. It wasn't gonna blend out and be pink on my cheek. It was gonna be purple.
All right, and for my grand finale, yes, I did. I got the Tower 28 Make Waves Mascara. I have used this before. I have loved this before. You didn't?
I don't remember using it.
Oh, I absolutely love this mascara.
I might not have used it. It might be in the box of mascara that's back here somewhere.
Yeah, the endless box of mascaras. This is a great mascara. It's beautiful. It's long lasting. It doesn't flake. It makes my eyelashes long and full and beautiful. They look fake. I love this mascara. It does the same thing that the Ofra mascara that I love so much does. This is just beautiful.
The Ofra mascara is good.
It is good. And I get a full 3 months out of this one.
Oh.
Yes.
All right, my last product is from Verb. This is their Amber and Jasmine Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. More companies are doing this instead of perfumes. They're doing hair perfume. It smells more perfumey than... It's warm.
It is warm.
Which Amber and Jasmine I would...
And I don't hate that.
It's warm but pretty. It's not...
It's kind of a fall scent to me.
Yeah.
I'm not getting
this does not feel
summer beach.
This doesn't feel like this blonde in July to me.
No, but it is a nice scent.
Yes.
It's going to be beautiful with a sweater at a campfire kind of smell.
Bonfire night.
Bonfire, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. What did you think of your box, Shannon?
I'm really happy this month.
Yeah.
I love a fragrance. I'm excited for this. Release is great. I know I love this, and I mean, this is fine.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going to probably give this to Kaylee for her wedding. This, I was surprised that
It's pretty.
liked so much. I love Pure Lease. This I'm excited to try. This I love. And this could go either way. It's not a bad product. It's just I like another brand better. It's fine.
So I thought July was good.
Yeah, I do too.
I don't have any of that. I wish it was better this month.
No. No. And I think I got a little bit of everything. A little bit of, makeup, a little bit of skincare.
Yeah.
So, and you got hair care.
Fragrance and,
Or whatever that is.
This was a good balanced box.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It didn't leave me wishing for more. It didn't leave me whelmed.
Yeah.
What did you get this month?
Did you get yours in a box or a bag?
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ring the ring-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.